Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your fridge door side. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a wrench, and a putty knife. Safety is paramount, so unplug your refrigerator immediately. Next, empty the door completely to reduce its weight. Finally, always refer to your appliance's owner's manual for model-specific guidance and any unique components you might encounter during the process. Now, let's begin the removal process. Start by gently prying off the top hinge cover, usually a small plastic cap. Then, use your screwdriver to unscrew and remove the top hinge. With the top hinge free, carefully lift the entire refrigerator door straight up and off the remaining center and bottom hinge pins. Finally, remove the bottom hinge and any brackets from the current side, keeping all parts organized for reinstallation. With the old side clear, it's time to prepare the new side. First, install the bottom hinge and its bracket onto the designated holes on the opposite side of the refrigerator. Next, transfer any door stoppers or plugs from the old side of the door to the new. Carefully lift and position the refrigerator door onto the bottom hinge pin. Finally, secure the top hinge, making sure the door is perfectly level and aligned before tightening all screws. You're almost done. Now, perform some crucial final checks. Open and close the door several times to ensure it swings freely and latches securely. Next, test the door seal by closing the door on a piece of paper. If it pulls out easily, the seal might need adjustment. Replug your refrigerator and allow it to cool for at least a few hours. Make any minor hinge adjustments for perfect alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.